it's day 4 of our trip, and right now we are sitting in the patio and having breakfast. So I just wanted to quickly show you the spread of the breakfast. They have like oatmeal. So here is the oatmeal with fresh berries, and we have some yummy fruits like muskmelon and pineapple and grapes, and we also have granola with lots of seeds and bran flakes and corn flakes. And we also have some yogurt here. Yeah, and some multivitamin fresh juice. So this is the entire spread. It's quite healthy actually, but like almost like every day it's like the same option. So you don't have like variety of options. But the breakfast is same, but it's extremely healthy, of course. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly show you this. And hey guys, so as I mentioned earlier, it's day 4 of our trip, and today we have come to Vasa Museum. And as you can see behind me, there are a list of different museums which are available in this particular area. So last time, as you must have seen, Skonsen, which we had gone, that is after one stop from here. And then we have Nordiska Museum, we have Viking Museum, we have Vasa Museum, which we are about to enter. And so depending on your taste, or because it's very difficult to cover all the museums, right? And Vasa Museum is really very interesting for us. It has like a history, and it has a big ship which is really interesting for my daughter as well. So we are about to go there, and let's go ahead and see how is it. Hey guys, as you can see, बहुत ही भीड़ है यहाँ पे. It's a big queue Vasa Museum के लिए, and you can see it's awesome. It's so huge. I can't wait to go inside. It's pretty exciting. So yeah, we are also in the queue. My husband is in the queue, and I'm just sitting with my daughter, and then we will go inside. We are just trying to, because we don't have any pram now. We're just trying to make her sit wherever is possible, so that she ends up getting less tired. So yeah, see you inside. Bye. Hey guys, finally we are here. A giant ship, and Anvika?
Yeah, it's from a big, it's from a big, and it has 10 bowling cans.
Yeah, so it is so huge.
Yeah.
The ship had synced actually. There's a very amazing history.
King and queen.
Yeah, right. So it's really beautiful, and it has some 7 sides which we can see. So let's see. I will definitely show you. Guys, this boat was taken out after 300 years, and it was in 1628 that it sank. So beautiful, and the museum is really worth visiting. They have shown each and everything and each and every aspect of the how they have recreated the boat, and how they have not this boat, but they have also created some mini boats. This is the real ship what they have taken out from the water. And guys, finally today is the last day of our trip, and we are going home. So we have our bags and everything along with us, and we are just waiting for the Tunnel Bana, which was really a fascination for this trip. It's really long and quite I think quickest mode of transport here in Stockholm. And yeah, it was a good trip with little bit of hiccups with our health, but I think it was overall okay. And I think you need at least 5 to 6 days if you want to cover everything at your own pace with a kid and everything, considering everything. So हाँ, मतलब 5 से 6 दिन तो लगते हैं. And because the locations, you know, whatever spots you want to see, like, are not like in one place, so it's like different, located in different parts of the city, so it takes a little bit of time. But yeah, of course, it's a very happening city and very like lot of people around and big roads and big buildings and everything is bigger than Gothenburg. So it was really a good trip. And हाँ, एक दो चीज़ें अभी देखने हैं हम, because we have our train in the evening at 5:30. So hey guys, so right now we are at the Nobel Prize Museum, and this is a very popular place here in Stockholm. And as you can see behind me, this is the Nobel Prize Museum, and that side, towards that side, is the King's Palace, which we are going to go in a short time. तो काफ़ी पॉपुलर जगह है और काफ़ी अच्छी भी है, so आप देख सकते हैं. Hey friends, and here I am. I got interviewed by a channel, and it was quite a spur of the moment, because the channel was present there, and they approached me and I got interviewed by this particular channel. It was quite an amazing experience. I was not at all prepared, but overall, you know, I just spoke about Sweden and my life here in short, and I also spoke a little bit of Swedish in the next clip. You will be seeing that as well. So yeah, it was quite awesome. Jag också har en YouTube-kanal, så jag älskar att prata med kameran. Du är så duktig! Ja, tack så mycket! Du är jätteduktig! Hey guys! Right now it's 2:30 in the afternoon, and we have our train at 5:30, so we are all set. We are not roaming anymore now. So we're just sitting here in Jan Torget area, and it's pretty chill. I love this kind of vibe and streets, you know, roaming in the streets and everything. It was all in all a very beautiful trip, and whatever we have missed, like couple of things, you know, we can come anytime later. We are thinking like maybe 1 or 2 days, and we can cover those spots. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you love this series, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.